Oh, I'm so drained today after a series of talks, a series of lectures. I'm quite tired. Yeah, I hope I can go swimming with Maisel and Lau.
Hi guys, this is me again, Sherlips, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time, I'm going to show you the part 2 of our trip to Manila for Cubao project.
So guys, we're done swimming here at Novotel. I'm now on my way to our dinner area. See you there. I'm so hungry. Guys, namuli na gyud ang tanan. Ang taga CSU gud ang nabilin. Tilukon yun guys. Na TikTok pa siya guys. Unya pang tilukon pag yun guys. Ang kuwan. Unsa? Ini? Sugda na naturon. Uy, mag-TikTok sa dog. Pero inawa naman yung mga tao guys. Confident na sila guys. Uli ko nag-ibidiri. Mga na makuno sila diri guys nga. Good evening Araneta! Mga na sila guys. Tarong isa na. Paro. Hala, oy si Marlon. Calling Marlon. Tanawar Gusmis. Nageda. Na, wapa manahurot ang energy nila. Pak. Hala, oy. Mangeki ba na siya ng taon. Natanawa. Paro.
Alright, this time, let me show you a minibar here at the 6th floor of Novotel. This is just beside Novotel swimming pool. And this is the stairway going to the hotel garden.
Start na.
Sayunan ka guys. Among libot ang tibuok Cubao para lang sa drop down challenge. Ang among choreographer tara maote mo choreographer, videographer. Tanawa ragod sila Tanawa sila Ginoo. Ano napakaawa CSU faculty researcher guys. Hala nagsam na sila sa Cubao. Hala sayunan ka ato. Di ba? Every angle gitiktokan sa mga kuan. Di ba? Asan man pud daan ni? Mubaktas daw sila guys from Cubao to Makati daw. Para sa drop down challenge lang kuno na. Ginoo ko na tanawag linakwan guys. Paro G. Give me tanduwa. Give me tandu. Ay, ginoo. So guys, we're now deciding which flavor to buy. We have 140 per scoop, 450 per pint, and 999 for 1,200 grams. We're still deciding.
Ikatulo ba?
Avocado, strawberry na lang.
Avocado. Abi ko bang kining purple yan.
Pero nga na di nga pili din kami, sir. Lain lagi do para matilawan. Dapat kay Lucky retilawan. Pati ice cream kay Lucky retilawan, guys.
Sila.
Hanggang lang kay Gila.
Okay, sila.
Ambot na lang ninyo.
Check it out.
Anong strawberry? So we have strawberry, the other one is chocolate, and the other one is avocado.
Sige.
Walay ka tong ano.
Sa Malayka mo charge ka? So guys, we're here snacking on ice cream. Different flavors, strawberry, chocolate, and
Avocado.
Avocado. Naman sila after na sila nanuroy sa Cubao guys drop down
Sa
challenge daw.
Araneta
daw sila siyaga sila dito guys. Diba? Napoy ka?
Kape kayo. Layo kayo Araneta. Mga napo kalakhan.
From Makati mo baktas.
Tayo.
So guys, it's 5:30 in the morning and this is our day 3 here at Novotel, and this is our second day of Civil TWG orientation. Take a look at the beautiful color of the sky this early morning in Cubao. And here we go again. This is another festive breakfast buffet here at Novotel. It's 7 o'clock in the morning today here at the breakfast area at Novotel, and everyone looks very excited again to have a sort of heavy breakfast buffet before the TWG orientation of Cebu starts.
We have dalawang perspective, one from the national perspective and then from the forest management.
Hi guys, this is our day 2. We are already exhausted. Nasilaw, oy. Na. Natug man siya, oy. Kumana magod ang coastal resource ko an
Lagi, hindi
account.
pakialam. Gusto man siyo?
Law. Ibutang na sa atong report. Na day 2 sleeping ka.
Gano'n tinilawan.
Naghan ko na siya pamahaw guys kay buffet man. O na siya, naatanawa o. Naatanawa. Si Maisel active pa. Silaw kay ana na siya. Charot lang ha, charot lang. Hey guys, good evening. This is the last day of the workshop and I'm now going to a certain bar here at Cubao. I'm from the hotel now. I'm going to a bar where my friends are hanging out. See you there. Night out after the workshop. Maisel is looking for her future. Ay, wala pa nakainom. Wala pa siya kasap. Uy, nagusto man siya. Hindi na nag-picture taking sila. Check it out! Check it out! How to drink with social graces. Sila, kinahanglan magbusog daw siya kaya siya maniutos airport. Isod ba ka na mo sa imong bag, Law? Isod ba ka mo sa imong bag? Isod naman daw niya. May mga pangalod. Yan na.
We were already done with Cebol TWG orientation yesterday. That was really a perfect combination of work and leisure. That was so fun. And this time we are now on our way to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We cannot wait to be back home pretty soon. Alright, so we are now at the entrance of the airport. Lao has actually a lot of pasalubong to fix before checking in. It looks like the airport is now coming back to life since the pandemic. The airport is now jam-packed with a lot of travelers, just like the old normal. Alright, so this is it guys. We're now ready to fly back to Butuan City. Home sweet home! Thank you, dear Lord, for that safe and sound travel from Manila. Just please stay tuned and watch out for our next series of Cebu-related trips ahead. It's gonna be another fun work and leisure vlogs. And that's it for our first Cebu-related trip since the pandemic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe for more adventure vlogs ahead. Please also watch the part 1 of this vlog. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.